Hello everyone, my name is Ueno from Japan. Today I would like to present titled Perspectives of Mountain Studies in the Coming World of Extreme Weather. Japan locates in the east of Eurasian continent, where Asian monsoons and typhoons directly hit and organize mesoscale severe storms in summer. In winter, air mass modifications of winter monsoons over warm current cause coastal heavy snow, and traveling extratropical cyclone also provides sporadic heavy snow over mountains or in the megacity. Topography plays important role to emphasize local weather. Global warming increases the atmospheric water vapor with accelerating the water cycle and changing the balance of those subsystems. Then we started to experience abnormal climate record as extreme. How the society could adapt those extremes? To understand and predict extremes, new remote sensing techniques has been deployed in the observation systems, such as multi-parameter radar network or multiband geostationary satellite observation. Data assimilations with ensemble techniques in the numerical simulation could improve the accuracy of forecast. Besides, mountain observatories have been replaced to remote sensing, and weather forecast focuses more in the populated cities. So, how's the accuracy of mountain weather nowcast or forecast? Unfortunately, we have no accurate answer because of few validation data in high elevations. As an example, figures show an extreme precipitation event by typhoon. Gauge network cannot capture mesoscale incident in the complex terrains, but GPM satellite clearly identified the structures such as orographic ascending, thermal convections, or typhoon-oriented band-shaped rain area. State-of-art three-dimensional information is quite important for geographical configuration. Based on the nowcast or forecast, agency prepared advisory and local government state warning. Various alerts are prepared digitally, such as risk map or hazard map. In case of emergency, do you think those web images are efficiently used in local community or personal activities among mountain people? Every year, meteorological disasters scares our life, such as landslide, flooding, or avalanche, with different hazard mechanisms. Why the forecast or alert doesn't work? Many of hazard investigations reported they are not by chance, but inevitable incidents. Why they are inevitable? Because disasters are matter of how we use the land or how we visit the area. For instance, over or illegal usage of mountain slope exceed natural capacity. Insufficient preparations or experiences for mountaineering cause accident. We may need more care for hazard map when we build a new house. Or school teachers need more skill for field work or conduct outdoor training. Problem doesn't limit to personal level precaution, but lacks of geographical or geological education background. There is a surprising news that only 26% of high school students learn geology, because most students prepare to take other subjects toward university entrance examination. Since this year, government changed the alert level. They ordered the evacuation at level 4. At the highest level 5, people need to take emergency safety measures by themselves. To do so, personal know-how with preparation is necessary. Number of accidents in the mountains increases, especially for overseas tourists, such as backcountry skiers. They were rescued by volunteer base. Aging is also accelerating, especially in mountain areas with depopulation. So, how the tourists or elderly people could take safety measures by themselves. Last year, I conducted web-based survey for mountain education programs and found that there are few programs that prepared comprehensive curriculums about the preparation, adaptation to coming extreme events in relation to global climate change. To establish the interdisciplinary education program, conceptual renovation of curriculum design, communication methods, and fieldwork strategies are required, including lifelong education. Summary: to mitigate disasters with development of mountains according to coming extreme weather world, more active commitments are required by geographers using their interdisciplinary knowledge, such as development of effective methods to transfer geographical information are required, especially for extreme events. Or education framework for local or mountain people is necessary to meet the population and aging society. And active communications between natural and social scientists are anticipated to initiate practical mountain research as international standard. Thank you very much for watching this video.